today's video we're going to be covering the new road, the drilling, and a little bit of an update on the area I'm standing in now, which is the new building site. So it's going to be a little bit vloggy, but it's fun. Charles is behind me with the TLB, and he made it through the worst areas, 4x4 TLB, so that helps a lot. And we're on our way to the next drift, and it's cleaning up, so I should be able to get through here soon. He pulled through the drift, filled that up. I think if that washes away, then we should be able to get over that with the 4x4. It's just a TLB, so he just used the front loader to scrape away the bushes and created a little bit of a road. We'll have to nurture and build the road, and eventually the plan is to put a fair amount of speckboom and other indigenous plants along the road to stabilize it. And now we're going to start with the trenchy foundations for the Earthbag building, and then we'll see how that goes. These last few days have been so hectic, so chaotic, that I just didn't have a chance to get any editing or filming done. But I want to catch up a bit and take it from there, so that we can just bring you up to speed on what's going on. Now, we've had a few cloudy days, which is nice this time of the year because it gives you some coolness, but we have to get water out of here and get the tanks filled up on the hill. At the same time, I'm sending water to our friends next door because they needed some water until they have their well sorted out. And the clouds isn't helping, so I'm quickly going to catch up today, pump water, get it up there, and make that ready for the drill rig, the borehole drill truck. So the reason the drill truck is going to come here is because he is currently drilling at our neighbors and friends on that side. USA Drilling is quite a formidable company when it comes to well drilling. They're a lot more advanced, a lot more respectful, and a lot more knowledgeable than the company that drilled our first hole. And as you know, that first well is on the slow side. It is struggling, especially now in summer, to keep up with our needs. And even though the plan was to drill in a year or two, having the truck here now means that the per meter cost is lower, and the exponentially rising drilling costs in a year or two will mean that we might not even be able to do it then. So we didn't plan for it now, logistically or financially or any otherwise. So we are going to try to get this done now. If the drill truck can get through this road here, it'll be nice. I can at least drive up to this point now, to above where the tanks are. The TLB cleared here, but we tried not to dig unnecessarily to prevent erosion. So at this stage, this is just loose dirt. Its aim is to be as level as possible so that the drill rig can pull through here without having any risks. But there are slopes, as you can see. This piece in front here is quite slopey. The driver reckons this is fine. For me to go up and down this loose dirt, I actually have to have my four-wheel drive enabled, and to make it easier, I'm actually in low range, so it preserves the road condition at this stage. But we'll have to work on this a little bit to make it more of a long-term road. On my right here, that's the permanent shelter tent, just to give you an idea of where this road is running. And over here it rejoins with the rest of the old wagon trail, which will then take us over that hill and to the new building site. I'm here at the new site. I'm quickly going to hook up a new pipe here because the drill truck needs about 1,000 liters per 50 meters of drilling. So I want to make sure that he has water available. Unfortunately, the tanks are lower than I thought, and with that slow well there, I'm not sure we're even going to get close to filling them today, but we are going to try.